Wow. My wife. How wonderful is that? My wife and I. Thank you. And welcome to our party. Welcome to our wedding day. We're so grateful, we're humbled, privileged, overwhelmed by all the effort, the warmth, the love and support today and in the run-up to our wedding day. To our families, to my new family, to our friends, old and new, who've travelled from far and wide to be with us on this incredibly special day. Thank you from us all. I suppose, lastly but not least, I've got to say a little bit about my beautiful wife. It's not difficult, is it? She looks absolutely incredible. She is incredible. She's a wonderful mum. She's a wonderful friend to all her friends. She works tirelessly as we settled into Jersey and made new friends and settled into life there. She's an incredible support. She's bright. She's intelligent, she's loving, caring, selfless. Any word you want to mention, Sally Ann fits it. And it's an absolute privilege to be her husband. Absolute privilege.
All I would say is, though, that they are both very, very good together. And it's their day. It's all about their day, but it's also, they're very generous and they've also worked very, very hard to make sure that it's good for everybody. And I think it's worth noting that they've put a lot of work and effort into it. Very, very generous. And a lot of hard work, so let's hear it.
They say that love starts with a spark, and that might not be true. But if I were to wish a love, I wouldn't wish fire for you. You see, fire is powerful, it burns bright, and it's gone. It's beautiful and warm, but it doesn't last long. So instead of wishing you a love that burns, I wish you love like a river that twists and turns. It changes and flows, it's powerful and free, but it consistently finds its way back to the sea. And so, like the water, I hope your love is ever growing, ever changing. I hope your love is powerful and free, and may you always find each other like the river finds the sea.
Just a little poem to my bride, to my wife, my bride and joy. When we're together and when we're apart, you're first in my thought and first in my heart. A ring as round as it turns forever, and that's how we'll be together. Grow old with me, and the best is yet to come. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming. Have an absolutely amazing, amazing night. Amazing weekend. I love you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's me done.
What you should all know about my mother is that she's the kindest soul I ever met. She has always got through life with a kindness to those around her that made her glow in a certain way. And I think, sadly, for a while when things got tough, she almost lost that glow for a bit. That is, and I will honestly say this, until she met Rob. So to Mum, I would just like to say, you are the kindest, strongest and most caring woman I have ever met, and I'm so happy to see you finally be shown the love and appreciation you deserve. Rob, thank you for bringing her back to us. And Mum, it's good to have you back.